Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jermaine Whitener. Today, this tour is going to be this beautiful, modern, custom farmhouse. This is set up in Waxahachie, Texas, and I'm going to take you in and we're going to take a look. It's a wonderful layout. But before we do that, I'm going to ask you to subscribe and give me a like on this video. It will allow me to continue to bring these home tours to you at the price that most of you can appreciate. Absolutely free. All right, so do me a favor, subscribe, and I'm not going to waste any more time on that. So without further ado, let's go ahead and take a look at this beautiful farmhouse. Come on. You're coming, right? All right, this is going to be good. Right now, I'm just going to show you this foyer. It was exceptionally windy today, and I'm going to try to keep us away from it. Okay, let's take a look. I'm just going to pan this right now, just so you can get an idea. It has the coffered ceilings. Yes, I'll come in just so that you can at least get a feel for the volume in here. You have nice high ceilings. And you have this custom bar area that's really nice. I mean, they have their paperwork here, so I'm not going to bother it. But you guys can see past that because I only deal with very intelligent listeners. So I'm sure you guys will give us a little grace overlooking those. Is that correct? I thought so. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. Okay, let's see. All right, you got this beautiful floor to ceiling fireplace. I don't know if that's marble or some type of beautiful stone. It's very nice, and it looks like a gas fireplace. And oftentimes they have it where it's gas, and you can also put the actual logs in, and I will find that out for you. That's something you'd like to know. Nice shelves that flank both sides of it. Nice, nice. Well, first we're going to go down and take a look at some of these secondary bedrooms. You got these nice sliders, and yes, this particular home is sitting on an acre lot. Okay, nice California kitchen. Okay, so we have a gas cooktop. And you have your double wall oven here. All these appliances are GE. Well, this right here is the first bedroom, bedroom 1. And you'll notice it have the 8-foot doors, and it's a walk-in closet, a little shelf in the center, pretty neat. Yeah, all these doors are 8-foot doors, which is really nice. Now this right here is a Jack and Jill bath. So you'll go in this way, You come through, you have a nice shower here with the commode is here. Nice. They even gave you a window here in the shower, which is really nice too. That way it brings in some natural light. And as I said, this right here is where you would go right through the secondary bedroom. But I'm going to take you the front way, okay? All right. Okay, another nice bedroom. This right here is the door that leads right to that Jack and Jill bath. Some people refer to them as Jack and Jill baths. Some people refer to them as buddy baths. But, you know, again, we ain't gonna split hairs over what we're gonna call it. It's a bedroom that has a door that leads to a bathroom. And if you go through the other door, you go right into the other bedroom. So that kind of covers it. All right, you'll notice that all of these closets are pretty decent. And you got the light right here. And I like this, so you have the shoe shelf, and you could even, you know, put some of your other articles of clothing in there, folding them up. Okay. All right, I'm gonna hit that light and come on out. Yeah, I love these solid doors, and they're 8 foot, so that just gives a lot of volume. This right here is a pantry. I had a one video, and the builder had the pantry locked, and I had a client that wanted to see the interior of the pantry. So this one right here is unlocked. So for that viewer that wanted to see the inside of the pantry, here we are. Come in. I could say you could get quite a bit of food in here. I think most of you would agree. Again, you have this area here. Some people refer to this as the butt room, or the area when you come in from the garage. You can hang up your jacket. If you have boots on, you can take them off. You could put them here. That way you're not tracking anything throughout this beautiful home. Okay, we're gonna go out and take a look at that garage, but again, we have a laundry area, and I just want you to come in. You'll see that you have cabinets. You got a nice floor system in, and it's nice, spacious. And as I mentioned earlier, when you're looking at the 8 foot doors, I mean, it really brings volume to any room. Now let's go take a look at this 3-car garage. Okay, here we are in this 3-car garage. And you'll notice that they have, the water system that they have is going to be the system that will allow you to have heat immediately. A tankless water system, tankless water heater. All right, let's go through here. This right here is the game room. The game room has this nice powder bath right here. I'm going to have to do this the hard way because for whatever reason, I was is having a little difficulty with my gimbal. But I will not be denied. I'm going to show you guys this beautiful home. I'm not going to make any excuses, so let's get it. Okay, this is the primary bedroom. You see, it's a very large bedroom, very large, spacious bedroom with large windows for extra light coming in. Those windows are huge. And again, you have a lot of space. Now, you have nice 8-foot double doors going into the primary bath. And this is something that I'm starting to see a lot of. We're gonna go here. We got the water closet here. And we're gonna look at the way they have this configured, which is nice, but I'm starting to see this more often than not, where you'll have an area like this, where they're now putting the tub right in the area where you have the shower. So I guess that's the latest thing. So you guys heard it from me. You heard it from me first. Okay, let's take a look at this primary closet. All right. I like this where you have this big chest area. You have, you know, I mean, that's like having a very large dresser or a chest of drawers. Then you have space here. And it's always nice where you can put shoes, pocketbooks, you can fold clothing, but in a lot of cases, there'll probably be a lot of shoes up there, and in lots of area to hang clothing, hang your clothing. I like it. And I was doing a tour like this at one time, and a customer asked me, how do you get the clothing up on the top rail? But there's a little handle, there's a little pole, and it connects your hanger. So you just lift it right up to the top rail. It's no big deal. It's really easy, I promise you. Okay, so let's go ahead and I'm gonna show you the office area, because again, we actually have 4 bedrooms and a legitimate office. So this is another bedroom. Large windows, so lots of light to come in. You have this other full bath, which is really nice. I like the tile work, and I like that he took it all the way up to the ceiling, which gives it a very nice custom feel. I like that. Then you do have a linen closet. Well, actually, this is, I thought this was a linen closet. I stand corrected. This right here leads me into this bedroom. So if you're in this bedroom, you can go into the bath here, or if you're out in the hallway, you can still, well, it will still service that bedroom. And this is the office. Nice. Again, I love these very high 8-foot doors. Now I'm going to take you out so you can see the back, where it has this built-in fireplace, which is really nice. Now I'm going to go out through here to the game room. And right now there's a Again, there's a lot of wind, but I'm going to do this briefly so that you can take a look. A lot of, okay. I'm even going to make sure this little cushion is in place. And I'm going to pump this little section here, which you'll notice that there's plenty of space here. And today is pretty windy. But it's nice, and as I said, it's an acre lot. But imagine being here. You got this nice fireplace here. You can sit on this covered porch. I mean, this is really cool. You can sit here and enjoy being out here, and it's nice, it's private, and it could be yours. Well, I'm gonna just go back inside now. And as I said, I was kind of doing it the hard way because the gimbal decided to take a break on me, and I am determined to show you this beautiful home with no excuses. So I'm gonna take it right here. All right, that brings us to the end of this tour. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. You don't know, I went through everything to make sure I could make this work for you. My gimbal stopped working. I kept pushing. All right, so again, if there's another home you'd like to see, you know, DM me, check me out, give me a call. If you'd like to get together to make an offer on this beautiful home, it's available. Again, it's ready to go. I'd be happy to get with you and we could strategize to come up with a price and acceptable offer. Or if there's another home you'd like for me to show you, or if you'd like for me to list your home, hey, I have car, I will travel. Let me know how I can help. I'm here. That's all you got to do is give me a call. You're going to call me, right? Okay, but before I go, just remember there's another farm home to look at also. If you like this, tell me what you think of the other one. Bye.